Ever wondered how Bitcoin works, or why everyone's talking about cryptocurrency? Is it the future of money, or just a risky gamble? In this video, we'll break down what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and whether you should consider investing in it. Let's unravel the mystery of crypto, step by step. Let's start with the basics. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized systems called blockchains. Simply put, they're digital assets that let you transfer value online, quickly and securely. Think of it as cash for the internet, but with no central bank or government controlling it. So, how does this all work? At the heart of cryptocurrency is the blockchain, a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is verified by miners or validators using complex algorithms. Once verified, the transaction is added to the blockchain, creating a secure and transparent record. A blockchain is like a shared digital notebook, where everyone can see the transactions, but no one can alter the records once they're added. Cryptocurrencies use encryption to secure transactions and control the creation of new units, making them highly resistant to fraud. Unlike banks, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any single institution. This makes them global and borderless. I'm sure you've probably heard the buzz about crypto, but what's driving its popularity? Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency lets you send money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world, without needing a bank. This is especially important in countries with unstable currencies. Many early investors in Bitcoin and Ethereum saw their investments skyrocket. While crypto is risky, it's also an opportunity for big gains. Beyond payments, cryptocurrencies are powering innovations like smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. While cryptocurrency has its perks, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Here are some risks to keep in mind. Cryptocurrency prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. This makes it a risky investment if you're not prepared for ups and downs. While the blockchain itself is secure, exchanges and wallets can be hacked. Always store your crypto in a secure wallet. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies. This could impact their value and legality in the future. Now comes the big question. Should you invest? Here's a balanced approach to consider. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Stick to well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're starting out. Crypto can be risky, so don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Treat it as part of a diversified portfolio. Always buy and trade on trusted exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken to minimize risks. Cryptocurrency explained in simple terms. Whether you're curious about investing or just want to understand the hype, crypto is reshaping the financial world. Let us know in the comments. Are you planning to invest in cryptocurrency? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. Thanks for watching Factful Wealth, where we simplify the world of money for you.